Glass skin means that you have no visible acne, no large pores, even skin tone color. Your skin looks bright. It's flawless. It looks like glass. I'm going to show you how to have glass skin in 10 easy steps. Now you'll want to pay attention, since most of these tips come from Korea. They will be foreign to you. You've never heard of them. You've never tried them, but they will completely change your face. 1. You're dehydrating and don't even realize it. Most people are dehydrated without realizing it, and this destroys their skin. I'm going to show you how to hydrate fast. Just drinking water won't hydrate you fast enough, and this is going to leave your skin dry, itchy, dull, and wrinkled. The main component of glass skin is hydration, as this is going to plump the skin from the inside out to make your skin look fuller. This makes your skin look smooth. So, to supercharge your hydration, don't use regular water. Instead, use salt water. Salt water is water mixed with Himalayan salt. You want to add 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of Himalayan salt for 1 cup of water and drink that every morning. Himalayan salt water contains important electrolytes. Electrolytes are electrical charges that help with hydration inside and outside of cells. The electrolytes from salt water get absorbed by the body, promoting faster hydration from within. 2. You're gonna do a double cleanse. A lot of people have already heard how important it is to wash your face daily. Koreans take it a step further. They do a double cleanse. This is the process of washing your face twice, back to back with different products. This is a more effective way of fighting off acne-causing bacteria while still keeping your skin hydrated. Your first cleanse will be with an oil. When you do this, you should only use an oil cleanser that contains over 90% natural oil. As a matter of fact, you can go the affordable route and use oil you already have at home. You want to use something like extra virgin olive oil that's rich in vitamins and antioxidants and will not only nourish the skin but keep it hydrated. To start, you're going to grab 1 teaspoon of olive oil in the palm of your hand and then gently rub that across your face. After about 1 minute of cleansing, I want you to grab a washcloth and soak it with lukewarm water. You're going to use that to wipe off the oil off your face, and with that, all the dirt will come off as well. Now you move on to your second cleanse, which will be with a hydrating facial cleanser. A hydrating facial cleanser is usually one that doesn't soap up as much. And then you're going to want to pair that with a facial scrubber that can do a more effective job of clearing out your pores and any dead skin that could be stuck in your pores that can then cause acne. Here, I like to use my silicone facial scrubber from PMD. It is more efficient than your fingertips at clearing your skin. A 2019 study in the National Library of Medicine stated that a facial cleanser can be more effective at clearing acne-prone skin. When you find your good facial scrubber, you're going to want to add about a quarter size amount of your hydrating facial cleanser and then gently scrub your skin for about 2 minutes. You have now prepped your skin and it is ready. Now we're going to go through tips 3 to 6, but you must follow this one rule. You have to use the lightweight products first. Allow those products to be absorbed by the skin and dry before you move on to the next step for an ultimate effect. 3. Chemically exfoliate your skin. Chemical exfoliants work by dissolving the dead skin cells that sit on top of your skin without damaging the new skin that's underneath. This is better than outdated face scrubs because their granulated nature is too aggressive on the face. They end up causing micro tears on the skin. Instead, you should use a chemical liquid exfoliant. A good chemical exfoliant will contain either AHAs or BHAs. The one that I use every day has 2% BHA. This process will even out your skin by removing skin texture, skin layers, and shrinking down your pores. To use, you simply want to drop a quarter size amount onto a cotton pad. Then, you want to gently rub that product across the entire face. After, allow it to dry and absorb, and we move on to step number 4. Apply an essence for your face. An essence is a lightweight, water-like liquid that you use as an extra layer of hydration for your skin. It is the most important step, as it will prep the skin so it can absorb the other products that we're going to talk about. It's also lighter than a traditional moisturizer, which makes your skin feel great. To apply properly, you want to spray about 4 to 5 pumps of essence onto your fingertips. Then, you want to gently tap your face with your fingertips until you have applied on your entire face and the product has dried. Do not rub or drag the product across your face. Once it's dried, your face is now prepped for tip number 5, which is applying a blue light therapy session. Blue light therapy reduces acne, your size of pores, and skin bumps to make your skin look more glass-like. It makes your skin perfect. My PMD facial scrubber, the same one you saw before in this video, has a built-in blue light therapy tool in the back. It's a powerful all-in-one skin tool. It's the first of its kind type of tool in the market for men, and it doesn't only make your skin look great, it could save you money. See, blue light therapy treatment at an office can cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500. The PMD tool will cost you 1/10 of that, and you can use as needed. As a matter of fact, most doctors recommend you use this 3 minutes a day, every day to kill acne-causing bacteria. The most common causes of acne on the skin are caused by bacteria that infect your pores. That bacteria is sensitive to blue light wavelength. It is then neutralized by blue light to prevent it from infecting your pores and causing acne. The Journal of Clinical Aesthetic Dermatology ran a study with 21 young people that had been dealing with acne for 13 years. 28 days after treatment, they reported decreases in the amount of clogged pores, blackheads, whiteheads, and small red bumps. What's interesting is that participants self-applied the blue light therapy through the entire clinical study, just like the PMD tool that I use. I self-apply it every morning to kill bacteria. It is safe and it is easy to use, and I truly believe every man should own one. If you guys want to pick one up, it'll be linked down below, and for a limited time, you're going to see a discount that's going to make it insanely affordable. This all-in-one tool will give you the glass skin you're looking for. 6, you want to apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important step you can take, as it is designed to protect you from UV radiation damage. UV radiation will cause wrinkles and uneven discoloration, which will ruin the glass skin you're looking for. Korean people have great skin because in their culture, they try to avoid the sun altogether. They cover their skin outdoors and they have a no sunbathing type of culture. None of the steps we just went over will matter if you are allowing the sun to damage your skin. Direct exposure to the sun without protection will start damaging your skin within 5 minutes. It'll start by triggering something called photoaging, or the process of premature aging due to the exposure of ultraviolet radiation. Here is the worst part. Once UV radiation damages your skin cells and changes them, you can never fix them again. You should apply sunscreen every morning as your 6th step before you start your day, even if you work from home, because radiation can still seep through the windows. Now, it is nighttime, the most important step everyone ignores, but you won't, because I'm going to show you how to feed your skin the right nutrients, so as you sleep, your skin is repairing itself, so it wakes up perfect. 7, at night, you will re-wash your face. You do not have to double cleanse in this step. Instead, using the same hydrating facial cleanser with your facial scrubber, you will have more than enough to remove the dirt and the excess product from the day from your skin. Number 8, you will apply something called an ampule. An ampule is more powerful than regular moisturizers because it is a super concentrated liquid of healthy ingredients for your skin. You should do this step right before bed to allow the ingredients to seep into your face as you sleep. This will tighten your skin to remove any sagginess or bumps that can add any visual texture to your skin. When you start doing this step, the following day, you will wake up with glass-like skin. 9, use a face mask once a week. Face masks are great to target specific problems with your skin. If you want to have glass skin, you need to have perfect skin, which means you have to fix your specific skin condition. To start, you need to isolate your problem, whether that's skin irritation, redness, acne, or discoloration. Then, you will go on Google and find a face mask that is designed to solve your exact problem. For example, you can Google face masks to remove acne. Once you have it, I want you to apply that once a week and start seeing your skin transform. Number 10, feed your skin. Eat the right foods that would clear your skin from the inside. Plus, add a vibrant color for your skin on the outside. This is the most important tip, as it has the largest impact over everything that I mentioned today. For example, tomatoes contain large amounts of antioxidants and vitamin C. Consuming this will help clear free radicals in the body and give you youthful-like skin. Another example are carrots, which are loaded with beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is powerful in its ability to give you an attractive, warm, skin-colored tan without you needing to go tan in the sun. If you do what I say and you follow those 10 tips, I promise you will have glass-like skin. After you're done, you can watch these 2 videos to continue to level up. See you boys next time.